fact, the Supreme Court has heard the Manipur case. They're looking at why there's been a delay in the processing of FIRs in Manipur, where there's been record violence over the last several weeks and a sustained sense of insecurity. The Supreme Court says that they'll make a panel of 3 retired High Court judges. They say that a former IPS officer will oversee the CBI probe as well. For the details of what happened in the Supreme Court, let's go across now to NDTV's Arvind Gunasekara for more on this. Arvind, what exactly has the Supreme Court said?
Supreme Court has proposed to constitute a 3-member that comprises of former High Court judges to investigate Manipur violence-related cases, not just to investigate these FIRs, the 6,000 odd FIRs that have been registered by Manipur police since May 3rd, but this particular committee that has been proposed by Supreme Court will also look into rehabilitation process, something that the Supreme Court has noted today while hearing a petition seeking court-monitored probe into Manipur-related violences. And also Supreme Court has also given the names of the former judges who will be part of this particular committee. That includes Justice Geeta Mittal, the former CJ of Jammu and Kashmir High Court, along with Justice Shalini Joshi, the retired judge from Bombay High Court, and along with Asha Menon, a retired judge from Delhi High Court, will be part of this committee. So all the 3 women judges, former judges of High Court, will be constituting this particular committee that will be looking into the investigation into Manipur-related violence cases, along with rehabilitation measures, etc. Also, very importantly, Supreme Court has also appointed a retired IPS officer, Dattatreya, to oversee the investigation that will be carried out both by Central Bureau of Investigation and also by Manipur Police, because it is to be noted here that the Manipur Police has already transferred almost 11 FIRs that pertains to gruesome crimes against women. Those 11 FIRs involving outraging the modesty of women, along with rape and murder, are currently being investigated by Central Bureau of Investigation. So those 11 FIRs will be continued to be investigated by Central Bureau of Investigation. But CBI has also noted that officers at the rank of either Deputy SP or SP, almost 6 officers from across the country, will be deputed to Central Bureau of Investigation only to supervise these 11 cases that will be investigated by Central Bureau of Investigation. So this particular retired IPS officer of Maharashtra cadre, who was also a Deputy NSA, Dattatreya, he will be overseeing this investigation, along with the Manipur state government has already submitted before the Supreme Court. They will also be constituting SITs, the special investigating teams, that will be looking into other FIRs which have not been transferred to CBI. So even in that particular SITs also, Supreme Court has said that they will also deputing some officers from across the country who will be overseeing the investigation that will be carried out by the Manipur SIT also. So Supreme Court has said that they are passing such an order only with an endeavor to instill confidence and also to ensure that the people restore faith in law and order. Just keeping that in mind, Supreme Court has said that they will be constituting a committee of former judges and also this IPS officer, former IPS officer, to monitor the investigation.